For this lesson, you will learn how to create a keyword outline the excellence in writing way. So let's look at how we first set up our outline. First, we're going to make a Roman numeral 1. That is our topic sentence, what our paragraph is going to be about. Then we place a number 1 indented under the Roman numeral 1 and start listing all our juicy details that go with our topic. Now, you may have more than 3. You may have up to 6 or 7, but don't go beyond 7 because that would be too much information for one paragraph. You would have to start another paragraph. Second paragraph gets a Roman numeral 2. And this is the topic sentence for your second paragraph. And then again, you're going to indent and have your juicy details listed, starting with 1, 2, 3, and remember, don't go past 7. Now let's look at how we would place text into our keyword outline. So here we have some text that we can use to create a keyword outline called floating rocks. The first thing I'm going to do is look at the topic sentence. Did you know that there are millions of rocks floating in our solar system? I'm going to circle the main words in this sentence. I see millions, rocks, floating, and solar system. Now, I've circled 5 words, but in my keyword outline, I can only use 3. But remember, symbols are free. So I kind of like that millions, and I know that millions can be a symbol as a number. So I'm going to go ahead and use that one. Then I know that I am talking about rocks. So I'm going to use that one. And then I'm not so sure I need to worry about floating because I've got floating in my title, so I'll kind of remember that. But that we're talking about our solar system might be something that's important. Okay, now I'm going to look at my next sentence. Some of these get pulled toward Earth. Well, it looks like I only have 3 main words here to even consider. Pulled toward Earth. So I'm going to go ahead and add them to my keyword outline. Remember to indent, add the number 1, and list your words. So I have pulled. Oh, and I don't even need the commas because they're all together. Toward Earth. Then I'm going to go on to my next sentence. Again, indenting and adding my number 2 and looking over at my sentence. They burn brightly as they zoom through the air. Well, I think I like burn because that tells me what they are doing. So I'm going to look at burn, and then they burn brightly, and the action is that they're zooming. So I think I like those 3. So I'm going to list those. Burn, brightly, and zoom. So now you can see you would just keep going through each sentence, creating another number with 3 words, symbols are free, for each sentence in your article. Remember, if your article has more than 1 paragraph, you would start a Roman numeral 2 for that paragraph. So let's review. Here we have our Roman numeral number 1, which starts with our topic sentence of our outline. What are we going to be talking about? In this case, it's millions of rocks in the solar system. Then I went through each sentence in my paragraph and I grabbed 3 words that tell the main idea of that sentence. Then I went to the next sentence and grabbed 3 more, remembering to circle and then eliminate ones that I think I don't really need. Or maybe think about symbols I could use. Remember your math symbols or symbols that are common so that when you look back on your outline, you know what you were talking about. So you will continue on this way until you've hit every single sentence in the paragraph. Once you get used to doing this, then you can start looking at the paragraph as a whole and pulling out the details that are most important. Maybe some of the sentences aren't the main idea of the paragraph, and you might not need to use them to do your outline. So this is how we do a keyword outline the Excellence in Writing way.